Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. The Bitcoin rally continues, guys. Okay, it continues and you guys can clearly see it's now at $57,000. Yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin at around, $54,000, 54 to 55 to even 56. But today, okay, it's back up at $57,000, guys. So this Bitcoin rally is in fact continuing. Okay, the market today is in fact continuing to pump. I must say, we all should be feeling extremely greedy right now. Okay, extremely greedy, very, very bullish. I don't think any of us right now should be feeling bearish at all with Bitcoin and crypto, right? We all should be feeling very, very bullish right now, okay, for a fact. And of course, there's going to be a lot of FOMO, okay? A lot of people will FOMO. In fact, I feel like a lot of people are already FOMOing into the crypto market because of how much it is in fact pumping, guys. Okay, so get ready, guys. A lot of people are gonna start, talking more about Bitcoin, where it's heading, and of course, just crypto overall. There's gonna be a lot of FOMO, guys. So for all the people out there that's watching this video right now, if you got in early, right, especially when it was low, especially back in 2022, because we remember 2022 was literally one of the worst years/bear markets ever for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so if you bought in 2022, even just last year in 2023, congratulations. That's what I'm going to say, right? Congratulations, because I know you guys are, up in profit for a fact, right? Okay, so that is that. But yes, guys, right now, Bitcoin is currently at $57,000, okay? 57,100. And Ethereum right now is well above $3,000, currently at $3,200. So Ethereum is looking absolutely amazing. You guys can just clearly see a beautiful uptrend. Okay, a very, very strong uptrend right now for Ethereum. You guys can just clearly see that, right? So that's looking pretty good for Ethereum. Okay, now the market today is still pumping. Okay, it's still continuing to pump. Right, yesterday we saw a massive pump for Bitcoin and crypto, and it's still continuing, right? This rally is still continuing, guys, right? So you guys can clearly see the global crypto market cap is now coming out 2.15 trillion. 2.15 trillion. So it is well above 2 trillion right now. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I remember seeing, the global crypto market cap at about, 2.8 trillion, like close to 3 trillion in our last, bull market. So it's getting there, guys, right? It is getting there. Bitcoin right now, I'm going to talk more about it. Bitcoin is almost back up at its previous all-time highs. And you guys can clearly see the market today is up 1.30%, right? So for the past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing, some pumps, okay? Majority of altcoins are in fact continuing to pump up to the upside, which is, great to see. You guys see Bitcoin up 1.8%, Ethereum 1% as well, XRP 4.3%, Doge today 5%, back up at 9 cents. Great to see for Dogecoin, still in the top 10. Great to see for Doge, and I really do believe Dogecoin is gonna, perform very, very well, in the next upcoming, bull market, right? The next bull run for sure. And it is possible, I must say it here, it is possible that we could potentially see a $1 Dogecoin. Okay, the one that we have all been waiting for, because I know a lot of people have been waiting for a $1 Doge, and I think it's gonna happen very, very soon. But yeah, a lot of altcoins today are looking pretty good, right? Some of them are in fact dropping slightly, but nothing too crazy. But majority of them are in fact still holding very, very strong, guys. Okay, so real quick, and this is very bullish, right? The Fin Greed Index, real quick, guys, okay, is now in extreme greed. Now it's at 82. Okay, and we actually saw this, okay, a couple weeks ago, right? You guys can clearly see yesterday we saw it at extreme greed, even last week, extreme greed at 78, but today it's at a whopping 82. Okay, and I think this is honestly the highest it has been in a very, very long time since, the last, bull market, right? So it's in extreme greed right now, guys. So it seems like a lot of investors out there are in fact, feeling that greed right now, extreme greed. So this is obviously very, very bullish sign, guys, that we are in fact, about to run into a bull run. Okay, the entire crypto market's about to skyrocket, guys. Okay, Bitcoin's gonna pump, Ethereum's gonna pump, and many more other altcoins in the market will pump like crazy. Get ready. And we know alt season is obviously, right around the corner. Everything is just looking up for crypto right now, guys. Okay, and this is why we should be feeling very, very bullish. I don't think any of us are bearish right now. No one should be bearish right now with crypto. Everyone right now should, you know, be like having that FOMO feel right now. And like, of course, you know, extreme bullishness, okay? And of course, greed mode, right? So yeah, this is amazing to see, right? The Fin Greed Index back up in extreme greed mode. So that's great to see. Now, Marcus Saylor, okay, he's tweeting this out, okay? Bitcoin is coming. Okay, and he's just showing a picture of a bull with the Bitcoin logo on it. Because, guys, the bull run is coming, guys. Okay, it's coming. Bitcoin is about to reach back up to its previous all-time highs. It's about to reach a new all-time high. It is coming. Like what I've been telling you guys, you know, many times throughout the past few days. And he also says here, okay, Marcus Saylor also tweeted this out today, and he says, do not sell your Bitcoin. And that is very true. You know, you want to, you know, keep your Bitcoins for long term. You do not want to sell it, guys. Okay, and I told you guys many times, this is just how I see it, right? If you really need that money, like if you genuinely need that money, go ahead and take your profits. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. You know, no one has gone broke taking profits, but we know where Bitcoin is heading long term, guys. Okay, eventually each Bitcoin is going to be worth millions of dollars. And yes, you heard it here, guys. Not just 1 million, millions of dollars per Bitcoin. It's going to be worth that much long term, of course, right, in the future. So this is why, guys, you should keep your Bitcoins that you have accumulated long term. And I hope you guys are watching this video right now have finally accumulated one full Bitcoin, at least one full Bitcoin. I hope you guys are in fact a whole coiner, right? So yes, it's very true. Do not sell your Bitcoins. If you don't need that money, continue to hold and DCA. That is all I'm going to say, okay? But yeah, moving on, let's get into these Bitcoin charts, starting off with this one, okay? So it says here, okay, are you ready for the 2024 top at $200,000? Now, do I see Bitcoin reaching 200K, you know, this year in 2024? I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't. I do in fact see at least a 100K to maybe over 100K, you know, maybe 110 to 120, maybe, right? But 200K, I don't think that's going to happen. If we do in fact see 200K Bitcoin this year in 2024, I'm going to be in shock and surprised, right? Because 200K Bitcoin, I think that's going to happen next year in 2025. But anyways, it says here, every time when Bitcoin forms this pattern, ascending triangle with a breakout, right? It always has a breakout, okay? It will go parabolic and send it to the top. So it seems like, guys, just like what this chart is showing, it seems like every single time Bitcoin has this ascending triangle, once it forms this ascending triangle, it has a very strong parabolic bull run, right? You guys can just clearly see that, like what it did in 2013, 2017, and most recently 2021. Will it happen for 2024? It is possible. Okay, I told you guys many times, a 100K Bitcoin is very possible. I don't know about 200K, but 100K, that's easily gonna happen. So get ready for that, you guys. Okay, and there's also another chart here, and it says Bitcoin is only 17% off from its all-time highs as today's high, right? So we are almost there, guys. Bitcoin is in fact about to reach back up to its previous all-time highs and of course reach a new all-time high. So get ready for that. And it also says here, in the last cycle in 2020, it only spent 3 weeks to reach the previous all-time high and 5 weeks to pass it. If it does the same, we will see Bitcoin at 69K in March, which is just next month, guys. Okay, and passing it in April this year. Bull can move that, you know, real fast, guys. Okay, it can really move that fast. Okay, I've seen it before, and I know for a fact we're gonna see it again in the next upcoming, you know, bull market. So understand, guys, the next upcoming few months, I've been telling you guys, right? 3 months, right? 5 months to 6 months, it's gonna be amazing for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, and from there on, it's going to continue. Because we know 2025 is going to be an amazing year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, guys, right? The entire crypto market next year in 2025 is going to look amazing, just like what it did in 2017. Okay, and of course, 2021 is going to do that for 2025. Okay, so get ready for that. If you think this year is going to get crazy, wait till you guys see what's going to happen with Bitcoin and crypto next year in 2025. It's going to get even crazier. Mark my words on that. Right? But yes, guys, a massive run is coming for Bitcoin. Soon enough, Bitcoin is in fact going to reach back up to its previous highs and reach a new all-time high. So be prepared for that, right? But yes, $61,000 is in fact the next target. It is, okay? We're about to reach that 60K target, guys, okay? And when Bitcoin reaches the 60K target, we are literally 9K away from Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous all-time high. It's just 9K. We are almost there, guys. Okay, if you actually look at the Bitcoin chart, right? Let's just go to the weekly time frame. You guys can just clearly see here. Okay, Bitcoin is ready. Okay, it's ready to, reach back up to its previous all-time highs right over here, right? You guys can just clearly see that, right? It is almost there, guys. Okay, and a lot of people, I remember a lot of people when Bitcoin was in fact dropping, especially back in 2022, a lot of people were saying, Bitcoin's never going to reach back up to its previous all-time highs. I remember people saying that, right? Even people that I know in real life were telling me that. And here we are, guys. Bitcoin is almost back up to its previous all-time highs, guys. So that just tells you something, right? That just tells you something, okay? So yeah, 60K is in fact the next target for Bitcoin. So get ready for that, you guys. Okay, there is a potential. Okay, there is huge potential for us to see Bitcoin at 60K very, very shortly. But yes, Bitcoin halving in only 55 days. Okay, less than, 2 months now, guys. Less than 2 months. Okay, price is only 21% away from its all-time high. And we know, guys, every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, this is when the real bull run begins for Bitcoin. Okay, this is when Bitcoin tends to pump the most. Okay, a bull run is coming, you guys. Okay, you guys can just clearly see every single time we have the halving event for Bitcoin, this is when it just truly runs up to the upside. So get ready for that, you guys. 2024 to 2025 are going to be amazing years for Bitcoin and crypto. I'm telling you guys out right now. It's going to be so much more crazier than our most previous, bull market, even back in 2017. Okay, in 2013, it's going to get even crazier. This next upcoming bull market is going to be completely different, guys, than our previous, bull markets that we have seen in Bitcoin history. This one that's coming up is going to be completely different. Okay, a lot of money is going to be poured into Bitcoin. We know that. A lot of these institutions, a lot of these big guys that have a lot of liquid are buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin every single day. And that's why we aren't in fact seeing Bitcoin pumping, guys. That's why Bitcoin has in fact been pumping, because money is flowing in. Okay, so that just tells you something, right? But yeah, last thing, guys, Bitcoin monthly returns, 34%, over 34%. Okay, and we are in fact about to, end of this month in the greens, obviously, right? So 34% for this month in February, and like I said, this month is in fact about to end. So it's looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. And I told you guys, in the next upcoming few months, it's gonna, for sure look pretty good. It's gonna be very, very green, I want to say. So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will obviously, keep you guys updated what's gonna happen with Bitcoin in the next upcoming few days. But as of right now, Bitcoin is still holding very, very strong. 1 hour time frame, you guys can just clearly see Bitcoin is still, okay, holding very, very, very strong at $57,000. Okay, so I will obviously keep you guys updated. But for now on, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.